Most people think building business credit takes years. It does not. 90 days. The right steps in the right order. That is genuinely all it takes to go from zero business credit to fully fundable. In this video I am going to give you the exact month-by-month, step-by-step roadmap, so you know precisely what to do in month 1, month 2, and month 3 to build real, usable business credit. Meet Marcus. He ran a food truck business. Great food, loyal customers, growing revenue, but zero business credit when he started. 90 days after following this exact plan, his Paydex score hit 76. He qualified for a $40,000 business line of credit to expand his operation. This is not a food truck strategy. This exact plan works for any business type: freelancer, side hustler, service business, product business. The steps are identical. So why specifically 90 days? Why not 60 days or 6 months? Business credit bureaus like Dun & Bradstreet report payment activity every 30 days. 3 full reporting cycles, 3 consistent on-time payments, is the minimum needed to establish a meaningful, lender-visible score. 3 payment cycles equals a real, fundable credit profile. Not perfect, but real enough for most lenders to evaluate and approve. Month 1 is entirely about building the foundation. No shortcuts. No skipping steps. Every single item in this month must be done before moving forward. Week 1, form your LLC if you have not already. This legally separates you from your business and is the non-negotiable starting point for everything that follows. Also in week 1, get your free EIN from irs.gov. 10 minutes, zero cost. Your business now has its own tax identity separate from your SSN. Week 2, open a dedicated business bank account using your LLC name and EIN. Never mix personal and business money from this point forward. Also in week 2, register your free DUNS number at dnb.com. This puts your business in the Dun & Bradstreet database, making it visible to commercial lenders for the first time. Week 3, apply for your first Net 30 vendor account. Start with Uline or Quill. Both are known for approving brand new businesses with minimal credit history. Week 4, make your first small purchase on that vendor account. Even $20 to $50 is enough. Pay the invoice early, not just on time. Your first reporting cycle has now officially begun. Month 1 complete, your business now has a legal identity, a tax identity, a banking identity, and its first credit relationship. This is the foundation everything else builds on. Month 2 is about building depth in your credit profile. 1 vendor account is a start, but lenders want to see a pattern across multiple accounts. First, add 2 more Net 30 vendor accounts this month. If you started with Uline in month 1, add Quill and Granger now. 3 active vendor accounts is the target minimum for a well-rounded credit profile. Pay all 3 accounts early every single month, not just on time. Paydex scores are specifically designed to reward early payment with higher scores. Also in month 2, apply for your first business credit card. As we covered in our last video, cards like Chase Ink Business Unlimited and Capital One Spark Classic approve, based primarily on personal credit, not business revenue. At the end of month 2, check your Paydex score for the first time at dnb.com. After 2 reporting cycles of consistent early payments, you should see a score beginning to form, likely between 60 and 75 at this point. Month 2 complete, your business credit profile now exists, is visible to lenders, and is building momentum with every passing payment cycle. Month 3 is where the work from the first 2 months pays off. You now have a real, verifiable credit history, and lenders can see it. First, apply for a business line of credit. Options like Fundbox, Bluevine, and Cabbage specifically work with businesses that have 3 or more months of credit history and an established Paydex score. Continue adding 1 new vendor account this month. 4 to 5 active accounts with consistent payment history creates a credit profile strong enough for most commercial lenders to evaluate confidently. Also in month 3, request a credit limit increase on your business credit card. After 3 months of on-time payments and low utilization, most issuers approve limit increases automatically or with a simple request. Finally, check all 3 business credit bureaus. Dun & Bradstreet for your Paydex score. Experian Business and Equifax Business for any additional reporting. Confirm everything looks accurate before making any major funding applications. Month 3 complete. You are now fundable. 3 months ago your business had 0 credit identity. Today it has a verified profile, an active credit score, and real funding options available. Remember Marcus. 0 business credit on day 1. $40,000 approved on day 90. These exact steps, in this exact order. The businesses that get funded are not smarter or luckier than the ones that do not. They just started building their credit profile earlier. You are starting today? Start month 1 this week. Form your LLC, get your EIN, open your business bank account, register your DUNS number. 4 steps, 1 week. Your 90-day clock starts now. In the next video, I am going to show you exactly how to check your business credit score, completely free, on all 3 bureaus, so you know exactly where you stand right now. If this was useful, you know where the subscribe button is. And comment 90 days below if you are committing to this plan, or comment starting if month 1 begins for you this week. Either way, you are already ahead of where you were before this video.